But one thing about Steve Wynn is he's not a conventional sort of guy, doesn't buy sort of the pat lines that are out there. The Wynn Resorts CEO and casino mogul joining us right now exclusively. Steve, very good to have you back. Welcome.
Good morning, Neil. Hi.
First off, on this market reaction and the reason for it that's given, do you buy that? The markets kind of know her, like her, don't know Trump, don't like Trump.
I think you made the point, and I think it's probably the one that matters. The markets don't like uncertainty, and the issue is that big element of uncertainty seems to have been minimized at this point, and I think that's what the traders are showing us. Really, I think that's the story.
Now, I think last time when we were in Vegas, you had made the argument that no matter who wins, there are going to be a whole heap of problems facing that winner, and a world of hurt. Now, not the least of which is interest rates going up, issues that we put off that we have to deal with. But you didn't seem to express much faith that either candidate would be able to address or would even want to address some of those problems. Do you still feel that way?
Look, we take in $3.1 trillion. We spend $3.7 trillion. That $600 billion deficit is $50 billion a month. That has to be financed by the Treasury, and it's done by increasing the money supply, and that is most certainly affecting and deteriorating the value of the paycheck and the living standard of every American. That is going to continue and accelerate unless something is done. And a tax increase on rich people, right now 70% of the income tax is paid by 5% of the people. Income tax rates, we all know, but you don't hear it discussed. The normal income tax rate is also a business tax on all the small businesses in America. Virtually 80% of them pay taxes under Subchapter S corporations, which means they don't get double taxation, or as partnerships. So a lot of these people are paying, these small businesses are paying ordinary income tax rates on $4, $5, $6, $8 million. And 25 or 30% of their money is tied up in inventory and accounts receivable, yet they pay normal tax rates. So really, you know, we've become a soundbite world. Everything is 140 characters, like Twitter. And it's very dangerous to the electorate having a clear understanding of the issues that are before them.